Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is for 15 November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 14, means of transport. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed the book exercise of the chapter number 14, that is question number A MCQ question number B write true and false, and question number C complete the columns. Okay, now student, today video we will write the short question answer of the chapter. So all of you take out your classwork copy. As we know that in classwork copy we will write the question answer of the chapter and we will draw diagram of the chapter. So all of you take out your classwork copy. We will start with question number D. Give short answer to the following question. Give short answers. Question number 1. Land transport can be of two types. What are they? Give some example. Is it clear? So first of all, note down the question. Land transport land transport can be of two types. What are they? Give some examples. So student, land transport, let first of all discuss the question and then we will note down it in our classwork copy. Land transport is of two types. Yes, one is roadways, the vehicles which are moving on the road, that are known as roadways. Okay, and the vehicle which is moving on the track, that is known as railways. And what are the name of the vehicle which move on track are? Yes, okay, very good. That is train, metro train. So these are the vehicle which move on the track. So land transport is divided into two parts, roadways and railways. And what are the vehicle which are moving on the road? For example, car, bus, truck, scooter, motorcycle, bicycle, extra. Okay, so note down the answer. The two types of land transport the two types of land transport are first is roadways. Roadways, for example, Roadways means the vehicle which are moving on the road. For example, car, bus, truck, bike, etc. Okay. Second is the railways. For example, train, metro, okay. So note down the first answer from the board. Even you can take a screenshot of also. Okay. So the two types, okay, the two types of land transport are roadways. For example, car, bus, truck, bike, etc. Okay, there are many vehicles which run on the road. That is the reason few name I have written on the board. Railways, for example, train and metro trains. So railways, vehicles move on the track, and in roadways, vehicles move on the road. That is the reason we say it as a roadways and railways. So note down the answer from the board, or even you can take a screenshot also. Question number 2. Name the different means of transport man uses for traveling. Name the different means of transport name the different means of transport man uses for traveling. So name the different mean of transport man used for traveling. So the different mean of transport which are used by the human beings for traveling are land transport, is it clear, water transport and air transport. And what are the example of a land transport? Land transport is you can say bus, truck, car, auto rickshaw, bike. So these are the mean of land transport. And in the second part, if you consider railways, then you can say train and metros also. And when we say about the air transport, so we can say aeroplane, helicopter, airships, hot air balloons. So these are the example of air transport. And when we are talking about the water transport, then boat है, okay, ship है, cargo ships है, submarines है. So these are the example of a water transport. Okay, note down the answer. The different the different means of transport man uses for traveling. Are first is the land transport. For example, trains, bus, car, bike, etc. Second is water transport. For example, ship, boat, steamer, submarine, etc. Third is the air transport. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, hot air balloons, airships, etc. So note down the answer, student. Name the different means of transport man uses for traveling. So the different means of transport man uses for traveling are land transport, for example trains, bus, car, bike, etc. Water transport, for example ship, boat, steamer, submarine, okay, etc. And next is the air transport, for example aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloons and airships. So these are the different means of transport that man uses for the traveling. Okay, you can take a screenshot also so that you can easily note down the answer in your classwork. copy. Okay. Next question is, what connects big cities? So what connects big cities? So all the cities are connected with the help of a road. Okay. For example, villages are connected to the towns, towns are connected to the cities, and cities are connected to the big cities. Is it clear? So in this manner, due to roadways, all are connected to each other. Village are connected to the towns. ठीक है, टाउन्स मतलब छोटे शहरों, और towns are connected to the cities, and the cities are connected to the big cities. So one state is connected to the another state, so these types of a roads, what we say it as a highways. Okay, so highways connects big cities. When we are talking about the big cities, ठीक है, जब बिग सिटीज की बात करते हैं तो बिग सिटीज आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट कैसे हैं बेटा? These big cities are connected to each other due to the highways. And what are these highways? These are the high speed roads. ठीक है, on this road the vehicle move with a very high speed. So due to these highways connect the big cities. Note down the answer. What connects the big cities? So answer is highways connects big cities. What connect big cities? So highway connects big cities. Okay, so we have completed the short question answer of the chapter. Okay, we have completed short question answer of the chapter. Now after this we will start a long question answer of the chapter. Okay, so I am reading the first question answer. Give any 3 reasons why we need to travel. Okay, question is, give 3 reasons why we need to travel. So in the beginning of the chapter, many points I explained you. What is the reason why we need to travel? We travel to our workplace where we do the job, there we have to go. And as a student, you also daily travel to go to your schools, to meet our friend and relatives. We travels, and for to buy things which we need daily, like fresh fruit, vegetables, bread, milk. So from where we collect these things? We collect these things from the market. So many times to buy the eatable items and other items also we have to go to the market. So that is also the reason to travel. Okay, and we visit other places like hospitals hai, bank hai, post office hai, railway station. So that is the reason also we, because to catch the train we have to go to the railway station. So this is also the reason why we travel. And to far off places during the holidays, when you having a summer vacation, then you go far away places. That is the also reason for traveling, or to migrate from one place and another. So as you know, So these are some of the reason. Okay, we will write this answer in the next video. Thank you, student.